In today's Rimo3 Cloud Solution Overview video, we're going to focus on suitability for Azure Virtual Desktop. Rimo3 Cloud Suitability for AVD helps organizations understand how their applications will behave in a multi-session version of Windows to ensure that you can move your current environment to AVD as is while still providing your users with the best-in-class experience. This is also the first step to understanding what applications can be modernized into a newer packaging format such as MSIX. Let's go ahead and take a sample output of the Rimo3 process. The first step in the Rimo3 process is to onboard the application packages themselves. This is a streamlined process, and Rimo3 supports a variety of application packages. What we're looking at here is a sample output of completed applications that have been processed through Rimo3. In our scenario, we're dealing with a scope of 34 applications. As we move across the top level indicators, let's drill down to each area to see what it means. AVD as is. What this is telling us is out of the applications that were processed, we have 82% of our applications in their current format can be deployed into an Azure Virtual Desktop environment as is. Rimo3 ensures this capability by processing it through the intelligent smoke test sequence. The intelligent smoke test sequence is the next generation of traditional smoke testing, where Rimo3 collects a tremendous amount of data through the discovery process and then learns from that data on exactly how that application is intended to interact on the target operating system. Rimo3 installs the application, runs the application through the intelligent smoke test, and then uninstalls the application, all on a multi-session version of Windows. Additionally, Rimo3 captures the video sequencing, static screenshot outputs to provide visual aid into what's going on behind the scenes. The last item to mention is Rimo3's capability of capturing a subset of performance metrics during the application's activity in the Rimo3 platform. This sample set can be used to predict the performance within that target environment. If I go back to the main output dashboard to review what we've done is out of our 34 applications, 82% of those can be delivered to Azure Virtual Desktop as is. 12% of those, unfortunately, have failed. Equally as valuable, Rimo3 will find that needle in the haystack in terms of the failure and present that information to the forefront so that we can remediate, correct, or retire the application moving forward. The next area to drill into is Rimo3's ability to modernize those applications. So once the applications are deemed AVD as is, the platform automatically moves those application packaging into a conversion sequence. The conversion sequence can produce three outputs. One, it failed to convert. Two, it converted but failed the post-conversion intelligent smoke test. And three, it converted and passed the post-conversion smoke test. So here, out of my 34 applications, I was immediately able to determine that 71% of those applications can be accelerated through the migration process to AVD. 88% of those applications are successfully converted to a modernization package such as MSIX, but have failed for some reason in which Rimo3 will identify on the failure of the post-smoke test conversion. And then 18% of those apps have failed the conversion process in general. The last item to mention is on my successfully converted applications, Rimo3 then provides a production-ready MSIX package that can be downloaded directly from the console. That concludes the solution overview for AVD suitability and the Rimo3 cloud platform.